So there I am in the gym, ready to crush my deadlifts, but I needed something extra. Something to really help me dig into those lifts. Enter cast iron lift weightlifting shoes, the secret weapon I didn't even know I needed. First off, these babies are made with high quality breathable mesh. Translation, that means my feet stay dry even when I'm sweating bullets. And let's talk about the sole, non slip, rubber, and seriously tough. It's like having a rock solid foundation under every lift. The widened base means more support, more balance, and less risk of injury. Plus, the cushioning, it's like landing on a cloud, but a strong, stable cloud. Putting them on is also a breeze thanks to the sturdy Velcro strap. And once they're on, they're not going anywhere, just like my feet during a squat. And it's not just about the deadlifts. These shoes are go-to for anything from squats to Olympic lifts, powerlifting, and even that treadmill you might have been avoiding the past few months. Oh, and they're unisex, so guys, gals, everyone can get in on the action. If you're in between sizes, just trust me and size up. These shoes are worth it, so whether you're lifting heavy or just starting out on your fitness journey, Cast Iron Lift will be here to help you crush it.